Chapter 1 covers quality basics. There will be a quiz over the material found in the text. Homework this week will cover significant figures and how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. This is an important concept because you will be required to use significant numbers on future assignments. Knowing how to determine them will mean the difference between selecting the correct or incorrect answer. What are they talking about assignment will deal with reading blueprints. There is a video on the importance of the what are they talking about videos you will be able to view while being quizzed on each week. All chapters, quizzes, homework assignments, and what are they talking about assignments open on Saturday of the previous week and are due Sunday of the week ending. You have 9 days to complete those assignments. All weekly assignments are not accepted late. Be sure to complete those assignments before the due date. Each week there will be a PlayPosit assignment. The weekly assignments will address subjects found in the chapter. There is a practice PlayPosit in the Week 1 module that will give the tutorial on how to use PlayPosit. If you're not familiar with PlayPosit, be sure to complete the tutorial before participating in the PlayPosit assignment. So let's come down here and we'll take a look. Here's your ebook. So if you want to access the ebook, you click on that and you can read it there. And so we'll come down here to week 1 and we'll open it up. And you'll see instructor guidance, you'll see the chapter PowerPoints, study materials for chapter 1, for the homework in chapter 1, homework quiz for chapter 1, what are they talking about, chapter 1 quiz, and PlayPosit learning experience, and then the actual PlayPosit for points this week, which is the red bead experiment. So let's go up here and take a look. So if we click on instructor guidance, you're going to have a video that you're watching this right now on chapter 1. And then each week there'll be a deep dive podcast over the chapter and other subjects that will be useful in understanding the material. There may be some personal experiences that I've had or things that have happened before that may be an interest to you. And so we'll come down here, then chapter PowerPoint, and click on that, look at the PowerPoint. Homework study materials, you can click on that, and then this will show you what you have to study before you take the quiz. And so you got your quiz here. Once you look at that material, you can take the quiz. You can take the quiz as many times as you want to earn 100%. But what are they talking about? We'll open this up here. And so what you have here is a little video that tells you why. And just very briefly, the reason that we do the what are they talking about videos, they go over multiple topics, like this week's blueprints. Another time we'll talk about valves. Another time we'll talk about logic computers, etc., etc. All of these things are important when it comes to quality control. And so if you don't have a pretty wide knowledge of things, then you can miss a lot whenever it comes down to trying to determine what your issues are with quality. And then, of course, we have the video. You watch the video and then take the answers on the blueprint. So we'll come back here. Then the quiz, again, you click on it. And once you want to start the quiz, you just click on that, view the questions, and it'll ask you, and that'll be over the chapter. And then the PlayPosit experience, we'll click on that. And it will take you here, and you can start that up, and it'll walk you through how PlayPosit works. And once you do that, you'll have an understanding of what you need to do to get points for that. And that brings us back to our module. And you can go ahead and work on those through the week as you will. And so that's all I have for instructor guidance this week. I'm glad to have you in class. You can contact me using messages, or you can email me at myers-d@mssu.edu.